My dad was a trial lawyer in New York City, so I had sort of a natural leaning to the law. When I graduated from college, I became very involved in the civil rights movement, and it was very clear to me that law played a very important aspect and became an important tool. So that's what got me to University of Colorado School of Law.
We met as students at the University of Colorado Law School. He became a good friend, and he was the kind of guy that you knew was going to do something.
We met, and he was completely obnoxious and absolutely precious.
Well, I started practicing law beginning of 1968. My first proud moment came in 1971 or 2. At that time, women were not allowed to become police officers, and there were very few minorities. As a young lawyer in private practice, we were one of the first lawsuits to successfully challenge the hiring practices of a police department. So that's one of my most important favorite cases. I think it's significant.
The first time I met Mike was after he had been appointed to the court. I knew of him for sure because he had a very prominent reputation in the criminal defense field and had come to, I think, probably most of the bar's attention in that way.
I said, Governor, I think if you appoint Mike Bender to the Colorado Supreme Court, it will be the greatest contribution to the administration of justice that you will ever make.
The Knous Award is the highest honor we give at Colorado Law. Knous was a legendary figure. He was governor and he was Chief Justice of the Colorado Supreme Court. Giving Mike Bender the Knous Award is a natural. He is Chief Justice of the Colorado Supreme Court. He's a leader in the truest sense of the word. He's a role model, and he represents what's best about Colorado law.
He's passionate and has a lot of heart in what he does. He absolutely feels the honor of being a mentor. Sarah Clark, his counsel, is one of my favorite all-time people. I see the mentoring role that he takes with her.
He's very interested in helping young lawyers develop a sense of professional identity. And that goes deeper than just knowing what the rules of professional responsibility are. What that goes towards is tying a lawyer's sense of professional responsibility and ethics to their morality and who they are as a person.
He focuses on what's right. And whether it's rulings from the bench, whether it's his contribution on a daily basis just to the justice system, he carries with him a feeling of doing what's right. And that's you have to respect that.
Michael loves the law. He really loves the law, and he loves the profession. This acknowledgement that he's receiving from the law school means so much to him. Not because it puffs him up or makes him feel better than or any of that kind of thing, but it's a statement that others in his profession, others in his field, value what he's doing.
He's devoted his life to the improvement of our profession, and I think he's done an excellent job doing that. And he has every right to be proud of it.